A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
eagle,
F for
pig,
G for
goat,
H for
horse,
I for
auntie,
J for
dog,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
leg,
O for
island,
P for T for
parrot,
Q for
king,
R for
rabbit,
S for T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
अरे बापरे V for
violin,
W for
wolf,
X for
girl,
Y for
yak,
and Z for
leopard.
good girl. Kiki clap.